Are you looking for a nice restaurant to dine and chill in Lubok, Bohol, guys? Well, this video is for you. Anyways, in the small town of Lubok, Bohol, Sarimanok Inn and Resto is the only restaurant in town where you can dine in for a meal. They serve delicious and affordable foods such as pancit canton, chop suey, calamaris. They also offer pizza, pasta, hot and cold beverages, and more. It's a perfect place to relax and dine in because the place has a breathtaking view with a perfect ambience for travelers, both tourists and locals. So guys, let's get to know more about Sarimanok Inn and Resto. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. We are here at Sarimanok Inn and Resto, which is located in Lubok, Bohol, Philippines. Dool rasad ni siya sa Lubok River, guys. This is my first time here. Among kauban nga taga Bohol ang nagdala namo diri. So, to recall my first Bohol video, guys, this is our first fine dining here in Bohol. So, before mi nangadto sa Panglao, nanihapon sa Midiri. So, let's get inside, guys. Ang ambience sa ilahang restaurant, guys, during late afternoon. Mao ni among early dinner, guys, here in Sarimanok Inn and Resto. Nami lumpiang Shanghai, eggplant con carne, and chop suey. Naapod mi gi-order nga ilahang famous native chicken nga halang-halang. So mao ni guys, ilang halang-halang diri na ay sabaw. Init pa kaayo bagong luto. Feedback sa food, guys, lami siya tanan, super, especially ang chop suey, ang lumpiang Shanghai, ug ang ilahang halang-halang. Lami food ang talong, guys. Mo ni among final day here in Bohol, guys. So gikan ba jud mi og Panglawhan, nibalik mi diri sa Lubok, Bohol, and ni stop over mi diri sa Lubok River, guys, para mag picture taking. And ngano na ami diri kay mukaon na pud mi sa Sarimanok Inn and Resto. So, friendly kayo ang taga Bohol, guys, no? Yeah! Ni balik jud mi diri, guys, para mag-lunch before muli og Cebu. So, meaning, lami ilang mga pagkaon, guys, maunang nibalik ni diri. Sulod nimo sa ilahang restaurant, guys, nani sila yung mga display nga mga exotic food like this one, na sila chicha worm. Mukaon mo ani, guys, lami siya tan-aon, ganahan ko mo tilaw pero murag dili kaya. ang view, guys. Pindot yung view. See? Nice yung view. Pindot jud kan andiri guys, peaceful kaayo. Ang magdagsaba kana rang mangagi nga mga sakyanan, and then ang luyuan ni guys mao ang Lubok River. So dool ra gid kayo siya. So roy ta silahang restaurant guys. Friendly ilang mga staffs diri guys no, and ma-amaze pud ka sa ilahang ka very honest. Wow. Why? It's because among kauban guys nahabilin iyang bag diri. Years na siya ha nahabilin, and then karon pa siya nakabalik sa Bohol. Pag ask niya naara gihapon ang bag guys. Wow. Mao ni among lunch for today. Naipansit canton, chop suey, and calamaris. Wow. Nag-order pod mi og init nga limonsito juice guys. Feedback sa food guys, lami jud siya, promise. Sarap balik-balikan. Wow! Aside from serving Filipino food, nagpa-rent pod sila og pump boat guys no. So if you want to visit here in Bohol and decided to cruise Lubok River, hapit mo diri guys. You can also check their Facebook page at my screen below. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!